Witam was kochani bardzo serdecznie na kanale Fred Gra. Dzisiaj kontynuujemy szpil w agenta 007 oczywiście, Jamesa Bonda, First Light. I zostaliśmy ostatnio remontadorem, renegatem, czyli żeśmy uciekli z MI6 i powiedzieliśmy, że załatwimy się na własną rękę, bo nie było haźle taśmy. To był żart fest wysokich lotów. Dziękuję za aprobatę. Witaj Peteras i tak dalej. Siemanko, dobra, już zmieniamy na IO Interactive i jedziemy. Nie wiem, czy dzisiaj zdążę zrobić tą całą misję, bo dzisiaj może być krótszy live. Wyjątkowo, wybaczcie. We czwartek będzie after po flakach już normalnie. Więc zapraszam serdecznie i jazda. Wiem, że trochę wcześniej zacząłem, no ale okoliczności mnie do tego zmusiły. Et Fili et Spiritus Sancti, dokładnie. Siemanko, fajny początek mi teraz napisałeś. Dobra, jedziemy. Dobra. A, teraz będziemy w tym. Bond i Isola, czyli ta francuska, przenikają do placówki badania rozwoju Web Industries w brytyjskim terytorium arktycznym. Bond uważa, że Web ukrywa tam zapasowy komputer kwantowy o nazwie Hyperion. Między Feją a Hyperionem istnieje splątanie kwantowe, które daje Webowi dostęp do tajnych informacji brytyjskiego wywiadu na bezprecedensową skalę. Bond planuje wyłączyć Hyperiona, by uwolnić MI6 z uścisku Weba, podczas gdy Isola chce go zaciukać w ramach osobistej vendetty. Najpierw jednak kolejką linową muszą przedostać się do placówki badań. Dobra, jadymy, czyli będziemy mieli rajza na... nie rai, nie na szoli. Zabrakło mi słowa. Na glajzy w lufcie. Na pewno tak było, na pewno. Dobra, jedziemy. Oczywiście jak skończymy Bonda, wracamy do gier, które były, czyli na pewno do Wieśka, do Pokemonów we wtorki, a we czwartki zobaczymy, bo zobaczymy co będzie. Oj, co tam, jak tam u was? Możecie się poasić, moi drodzy. Oj, mi się świeci czoło. Jestem oświecony. Dobra, no co to... A, ja sobie fajnie na grze, jak se... Kurde, bo jak się, że wyciągnął jak nie ten kabel i teraz mi cały live poszedł. Period. Chyba to ostatnio widzieliśmy, więc pominiemy. No i się no to przewlekli. Fala przyszłości Antarktyda.
Web Industries fabled R&D facility. All the greatest breakthroughs were developed right here. That includes the big brain in your basement. I knew about it, just not its exact location. What can I say? Sir Nicholas takes industrial espionage very seriously.
People want to come here.
You better believe it. It's the ultimate golden ticket.
Still, what's wrong with a tropical island?
Maybe the lease was cheap?
Optic camouflage, self-heating smart fabric. I can't.
Cable car station's up ahead.
Steep climb. Sentries?
Spectre, if I can reach that comms relay, I can jam the signal. Should give us an edge.
You brought toys. Nifty.
Swoje zabawki pewnie. Zigzaka McQueen autko. Zigzakiem to ona będzie.
Here, give me a boost.
Why am I getting deja vu?
I said I was sorry.
Did you?
Sure I did.
Oni już mają za sobą cimci rimcim.
She brings a submarine, thermal smartware, jamming device. But does she bring a rope? Look at you go.
Eyes on the bad guys, James.
Oh no, this is where those penalty pull-ups pay off.
Dobra, przechodzimy. Teraz mamy lato, a tu zima, widzicie, wiecie, tak to wygląda.
Now what?
Tutaj. Na C, nie?
Now what have we here?
Dobrze, że ma ta latarka w tym wajzlu. Dobra,
So I
widzi.
figured it out, by the way. Your client is the CIA.
That's so?
They advances made MI6 top dog in the spy community. I bet the CIA would love to get back in the lead. But Webb is the key, but they know he's too patriotic to defect. So they hired you to dig up some dirt on him. When I exposed him, he became a liability. If Webb leaks our secrets, the CIA take a hit as well. This is all just damage control.
Quite the theory.
Dobra, idziemy tutaj. Na szczęście dużo was nie ominie, jeżeli ktoś później przyjdzie, bo na razie się wspinamy.
What's that? Climate change. What, too soon? Close call. So how did I do?
Yeah, no. Not even close.
Really thought I was onto something there. Cable car's leaving.
New arrivals. Mostly senior staff from London HQ. Hopefully we'll be able to blend right in.
It's a big operation.
Webb's rounding up his lieutenants before MI6 can put the thumb screws on them. It's what I would have done.
You don't say. Reach the lower platform. I see a way in. Guards up ahead.
Well, comms are down. We contain it quickly and they won't be able to reach the alarm. You take the one on the right. I'll take the one on the left.
Deal.
Hell, everyone's on edge. I've been...
That wasn't necessary.
Means to an end.
That's your way, not mine.
Eggs and omelets, James. I'll meet you up top.
Ja bym przyszedł na cicho najchętniej. Ale czy to mi się uda? Czy to jeszcze coś mamy?
Oi, I see him!
What's that? I've got a body in here. You better take a closer look. Watch your back. Come on.
No, chciałem na cicho, ale się nie udało. Dobra, idziemy tu do góry. Zjadłem coś. Chyba obejrzymy. To będzie zapis, no to jest zapis.
So far, so good. Next stop, cable car.
It's not a ski resort. We'll need staff IDs to board. Found a couple of newcomers and relieved them of their ID bracelets.
Oh, who knew Spycraft involved so much petty theft? And what'll you be doing?
Laying low. I told you, a lot of familiar faces inside. I can't risk someone blowing my cover. Call you if you need assistance, though.
Fine. Sit tight.
Dobra.
Norris and Vincent, you may pick up your ID bracelet at the HR counter. Norris and Vincent, your ID bracelet is ready.
Let's see. Trench, Lopez, Larson. Check.
Dobra, słuchamy, podsłuchujemy.
Okay, where's the foreign secretary now?
Yeah, everyone's accounted for. Except this one engineer who threw a fit and refused to get on the cable car. Some type of anxiety attack. Don't worry, he's not about to do a runner. I'm monitoring his tracking chip on my phone. Last thing we need is an outbreak of mass hysteria.
Found a lead on an ID. I need access to an HR person's phone.
Try a proximity hack. It worked to want those at the web gala.
Very funny. Couldn't help but overhear. Someone suffered a panic attack.
I'm afraid I cannot disclose employees' private details without their consent. Please have a seat, sir, and wait for your number.
That one normally works.
Christ, what was that? Oh, God.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Dr. Lucinda Storm,
Jesus.
Search Analytics. You could
to
say
black out.
I'm at the heart of this whole thing.
Hakujemy go.
I don't have long.
Definitely wasn't like that the last
Chyba to spartoliłem, ale trudno.
I was on the ideation team for the Tardigrade Mark 1 back in 2020. There was only one guard in the entire complex.
Get a grip. They're all laughing their asses off. Bunch of... Nigel, Gatehouse HR? We could use another couple of hands down here to sort out IDs. Your rivals are getting restless. Yes, well, let Miriam know when she's out of her meeting.
Well,
The hack failed. They must have built in an extra layer of encryption.
Serio?
Looks like I'm gonna have to nick the phone.
you do like petty theft.
Permission to sedate? We all know panic is contagious. Fine. Had to ask. What's this?
Niech skończy
Remote
gadać.
hacking attempt detected. Defensive software engaged. Are these notifications even real? My eyes! I can't see!
Let's see. Somerset David.
Okay,
Got
get
you.
me up to speed here. How many ID bracelets have we signed off on?
I've been waiting 75 minutes, I think.
No. Macmillan makes 8.
This is taking forever. We're just not equipped for this influx of people. Did
Das
Norris
Hummel.
and Vincent pick up her ID yet?
Yep, just now. She was heading over to the lounge. Poor thing was so strung out on sleeping pills, she could barely see straight.
Would you believe it? I was tapped to join the AI prosthetics team next quarter. Now everyone will assume I got a free pass.
Better have a good explanation for all this. You just drag us to the arse end of the world on a moment's notice. Some of us have lives.
Lista z działu HR, dobra.
And duly noted, but it's really for your own protection.
Wow, that's rich. Trust me, if we hadn't pulled you out of London, you'd be in custody already.
I have an IQ of 150 and a cutthroat lawyer. I can handle the police.
I'm not talking about the police. Look, this is where R&D...
Nah, still at the gatehouse, waiting to get my ID.
I'm the company's executive.
Znajdź Dawida.
Is that Nora St. Vincent? Look, she's even got her ID bracelet. Should have been on the cable car. Nora! Rise and shine, Nora.
Może ty?
Let her sleep for a while.
Nie, to nie ty.
The choice was mine entirely.
Right. Then again, how often do you
Kumy
get a
dalej,
chance to
Kaj
see
to może być. Chyba źle idę, coś mi go do... A tu wejdę w ogóle? Access denied. No dobrze, no tak, access denied, no to poszukam czego innego. Teraz se stoi i grał w Candy Crusha te. Ja wszystko za nią zawsze muszę robić. Pieruna.
It's me. Couldn't get a decent signal until now. I know that.
Somerset,
Yeah? Who's this?
fellow traveller. Can we talk? Come on, mate. What's going on with you?
What's going on with me? My God, why can't anyone else see what this is?
Webb is blackmailing the government, and they must be planning an armed response. So, management brought us here as human shields. When the bootnecks arrive, how do you think this is going to play out?
Try not to think about it. Why did they relocate you?
Before I joined robotics, I worked at a university research center doing circuit engineering on a quantum computing project. For some reason, they put me on the extraction list. Don't know why, and don't care to find out.
Hang on. Someone's coming. Don't get up. We'll talk about this in your next appraisal.
Fatality dostał chłopak.
Never mind. We'll deal with this when I get back. Just tell them I love them.
Teraz bransoletę dla tej. Leciuchy trzeba było załatwić.
They could have processed us on the plane is all I'm saying. I've been waiting 45 minutes for my ID.
Okay, but just consider where you are.
Siema.
Which department have you been assigned to?
Predictive analytics. You?
HMI Task Force or the Mimicry team? Not sure yet.
I wonder if we're even welcome. Where is everything in this place? Nice face. We didn't know.
Jaka nie mogę tą bransoletę zdobyć? Czekajcie. Dla Forelli. Tu nie. Czekajcie, muszę zobaczyć. Eksploruj stróżówkę, aby znaleźć narcyz więcej kradzie bransoletę z identyfikatorem.
Nora St. Vincent. Sleeping on the job.
A to ona, dobra.
What in the...
IDs are in the bag.
Good.
I know I heard something.
Meet me by the cable car.
I'm not imagining this.
What?
That was weird.
Dobra, i mamy ładnie. Czyli ona spała, dobra. Nawet, że on powiedział to, bo bych tego nie znalazł chyba. No, rusz się, działa.
Well done. Who do we get?
I'm David Somerset, Senior Robotics Engineer, and you are Nora St. Vincent. Webb's private masseuse.
You're kidding me.
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Touche.
After you.
To jedziemy.
Nanomechanics department. Security level 1. Please proceed. Scanning.
Siemano, Dobiro, cześć. Fajnie, że jesteś.
Security level 1. Please proceed.
Staram się szybko zrobić dzisiaj, szybciej skończę tego live'a. Myślę, że gdzieś po 19. Też chyba będę musiał jechać.
Don't give me that look.
I need you to promise you won't make any moves before I do what I came here to do.
For England, James?
James, Isola. Do we have a deal?
Just don't fail. One way or another, Webb dies today.
Nie wiem, czy to nie jest ostatnia misja, szczerze mówiąc. Zobaczymy. Co tam, jak tam, Dobiro? Jak tam... Kiedy idziesz na egzamin? Bo jak już zdajesz, to... Bo ja nie wiem, jakoś mi uciekło, bo ja mam dziurę w głowie. Muszę znaleźć Hyperion.
Now what?
We need to get our bearings.
Dobra, wszędzie biegnę, bo tak średnio mam już czas.
That service robot looks friendly enough.
When in Rome?
Scanning ID. Greetings, David Somerset. Senior Test Engineer, Robotics Department. Where is your tracking chip? I do not detect a signal.
Tracking chip?
Company policy. You should have received the implants on the plane.
Ah, must have missed it. Spent most of the trip in the bathroom. Nervous flyer.
Very well. I have notified legal. Someone will be in touch. Now, how may I assist you?
Cześć, zobaczymy. A.
Where can I find Hyperion?
In the annals of Greek mythology.
Smart ass.
Nie, dobra, dobra.
What's your name?
It is Wellington. Thank you for asking. No one ever bothers.
Are you sentient?
Alas, no. But I have passed the Turing test many times with flying colors.
Where may I find Sir Nicholas Webb?
Sir Nicholas is located in the Operations Department Command Center.
Great. Do I have access to operations?
You do not. Your access is limited to the robotics
Że
department.
dopiero mówię cię, żeby się umówić, muszę odłożyć następnej wypłaty 300. Aaa,
Face does not match
no
the picture in
tak,
our
no.
database. You are not David Somerset. Stay put while I notify.
No i dobrze.
Right. I'm going to operations. You should too.
You think Hyperion will be at the command center?
If not, it's your best chance of locating it. You're in robotics, I'm in nanomechanics. I say we split up, double our chances.
Works for me.
No w sumie, no, jest coś takiego, no. No to po lekku, po lekku.
Take this. Pistol attachment. Fires a wireless electroshock projectile that will cripple an elephant and fry just about any electronic system.
Ledwo co, kurczę, tak naprawdę spłaciłem,
spłaciłem
bo później czerwca dopiero. O kurde, no to rzeczywiście, no. Czynnik klawiatury znowu się, przepraszam, diagnostyka, uwaga, sprzęt wrażliwy, nie dotykać, proszącym do godności, ględzy działu techniczne.
Here the tech breaks down. Oddly comforting. Some type of test equipment. It's synced to the door panel. All fixed.
Aha, dobra, na kół się tak strzela. No to rzeczywiście, to trzeba za chwilę poczekać. Ale spokojnie, masz czas na naukę. Luzik, karbuzik. Będę, że się nie pali.
Bet you would like this place.
David Somerset?
Seems I'm in the right place.
Ah, good show. Hope you're feeling better. I'm Ferguson, the head of department. Hop on that big platform over there and show you the ropes. So, you came in on the chopper this morning?
That's right. Straight from London.
How's the weather?
Well, if you need to ask, you've been away too long.
Isn't that the truth? May I introduce the Autonomous Demolition Unit, or RECCE among friends. It's designed for urban disaster areas, able to clear a path through wreckage in mere moments, allowing medical aid to arrive safer and faster. Here, grab the controls and take it for a let's get started. Issue a move command. Any direction you want. Good. Now, here comes the fun bit. Make Reki demolish those crates.
To jest Alt F.
Just don't get in its way.
Reki is equipped with a full array of detection sensors. As long as you have a heartbeat, perfectly safe.
Dobrze wiedzieć.
I think you've got the hang of it. Stay put while I reconfigure the pen. Only take a minute. I'm curious. What exactly are the accusations against Sir Nicholas? I'm getting mixed messages down here.
You know, high treason, fraud, conspiracy to commit murder. A slap on the wrist stuff, really.
Must be false. Something a troll farm cooked up. Stuff they can do with deepfakes these days. Anyway, here we are. Our most promising creation. Tabula Rasa, general purpose android. This unit can master virtually any function or skill through mimetic machine learning. Caretaker, paramedic, teacher, the sky's the limit. It's quite strong when required, and incredibly damage resistant. You know how to use a gun?
How hard can it be?
Go on then. Try and make a dent.
Okay, here goes. Aim and squeeze, right?
I imagine law enforcement agencies will be lining up.
Not an option, I'm afraid. Company policy. And the public just isn't ready for it. The functionality is totally there, though. Okay, you can leave the weapon back in the rack. Wouldn't want an accident now, would we?
Pity. It was starting to grow on me.
That's all the time I have, I'm afraid. We'll pick this up later. Stick around. I suggest you try the piano.
O, idziemy.
Arts mimicry. It'll knock your socks off.
Yeah, we'll do. Thanks for your time.
Good to have you on the team, Somerset.
James, what's your status?
Happily single, thank you very much.
I made it past nanomechanics. The utility area behind the
Szczęśliwy
research
kawaler.
space connects every floor.
Utility area. Got it.
Otis, the vet they brought in for testing, got his spine.
Gdzie jest
severed.
pianino?
Chocolate crushes. You should have seen the guy's face when he first lit up like a Christmas tree.
How does it even work?
It's like, you know those
Gdzie jest pianino?
industry standard for a few years.
Somerset, right? Newbie advice. Don't fret about making a mess. The automated system dispatches a cleaning robot from the utility area. No need to get down on your knees and scrub. You just focus on your research.
Good tip. Thanks.
Hey, science is messy.
Roboty sprzątające, dobra. To, no to jest ostrzegawcza. Słowo ostrzeżenia dla wszystkich instruktorów. Nie siadajcie tyłkami na platformie przy grzaniu włączonym na maksa, chyba że macie ochotę przez resztę dnia siedzieć na mrożonkach.
The floor is warm in here. Oh, yes, the platform is temperature controlled for extreme conditions testing. Do you mind? I'm in the middle of a trial. Oh, yes, the platform is temperature controlled for extreme conditions testing. Crank it to max and you can dry roast a turkey. You want me to turn it down? Oh, no thanks.
Ah! Can't see!
Time to turn up the heat.
Sorry, ale musiałem.
Is it getting hotter? Jeez. Heating controls must be busted. It's like cooking on hot coals in here. Oh.
Musiałem to wypróbować.
Coast is clear.
Could you step off the platform, please? You'll ruin my test.
Dobra.
That glass wall looks delicate.
Dobra, idziemy, nie będziemy się wydurniać.
Insufficient clearance.
Musimy pomyśleć.
Insufficient clearance.
Tu też nie.
After the
Szukam.
Proxemics trials, I'm requesting a transfer to the disaster relief team.
Why? Cognitive memetics isn't edgy enough for you.
Have you seen the specs for the next-gen disaster response unit? It's so cool. It uses plasma rays to cut through obstacles, and it employs different sensory modes to detect fires, motion and pheromone detection, echolocation, thermal imaging. It can detect a gopher through 10 feet of solid concrete.
In other words, no hiding from that.
Come on, don't be that.
Dobra, już widzę, że można do góry wleźć. Projekt szczęki buzi. Ten zestawu szczęki hydraulicznej wygląda na dodatek do prototypu dla jednostki regulowania kryzysowego.
Why do you design robots if your output is that bleak?
That bleak output is precisely why I should be the one designing them.
Trochę im tutaj poprzeszkadzamy.
Shooting range activated. Weapon deployed. All clear. Proceed with test.
Still not convinced. Better try one more time. There's science.
Dobra, już wiem jak tam się dostać.
Had enough?
May come back later to conduct a control experiment.
You won't be the first.
Ale te krzynie co, nie pozwolę. Nie mogę wejść na krzynia. Czemu? I co ja tu mogę jeszcze zrobić? Czekajcie. Dowiedz się więcej o testach badawczych. No dobra, to żeśmy. Trzecia już karta kolekcjonerska, to dużo jest tych kart tutaj dzisiaj. W tej misji.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask. What about defensive
Sorry, just trying to get
applications?
past you.
Could they be used for policing?
See, that would go against our corporate values.
Why? They'd be great for de-escalation. Probably avoid a lot of human error and senseless violence.
True, but people instinctively recoil at the idea. Webb wants people to embrace his vision. This is Brave New World, not 1984.
I give it 10 years.
Tu coś jest, dobra. A te pianino, patrzcie.
Activating dynamic impulse response sensors. Mimicry systems engaged. Proceed with test.
I lead, it follows. Good to know. This takes me back.
Fajny, nie? Dobra, lubię sobie posłuchać zawsze pianino. Sam mam. Pianoforte, dokładnie. Ten co tam robi ten? Nie nacisnąłem, że no sam.
Right, back to work.
A ja zagrałem sobie pianinko.
That finger dexterity is amazing.
Zagrałem całe, to się cieszę, to fajnie. Nie nacisnąłem, żeby przerwać. Więc... No to mamy dwójkę.
Heavy.
Motion detected. Activating dynamic impulse response sensor. Mimicry engaged. Proceed with test.
With the controls. Should be another laptop to storage.
Come on, put your back into it.
What on earth happened?
My fault. I was trying to make it do the robot. I'll go fetch a broom.
Hey, Ferguson. Your new arrival just made a
Fajne.
Think so? He just took control of my unit and smashed the glass wall. Said he was trying to make it do the robot.
That's Somerset. He cracks me up.
You're not upset?
Just go easy, okay? It's his first day.
Unbelievable.
Cleaning robot test area 1. Cleaning robot test area 1.
No dobra. A tu tak trzeba zrobić.
Starting to feel unwelcome.
Cleaning in progress.
Teraz się zagubiłem. Cześć Tymek, cześć, siemanko. Dziękuję, że mnie obserwujesz znowu na tym. Kurde, to jest pewnie przypadkiem, dałem ci bana temu. Komu dałeś bana?
Cleaning in progress.
Mnie bloka dałeś. Aha, rozumiem, u siebie. Oczywiście, że przypadkowo. Oczywiście.
Up we go.
Tak, musiałem zrobić, dobra. Czemu ja pistoletu nie mogę wyciągnąć? Opcje, klawiatura i mysz. Sterowanie. Jeszcze ja nie mogę sterowania teraz dać. Kurka flag. Aha, dobra. To nie... Tego tu nie wyciągałem, dobra.
There's a view to die for.
Wiedziałem, że to się teraz włączy. Jak powiedział, że to jest zły czy widok.
Precarious? Gotta be another way back in. No, I'll take the next one.
Dobra, idziemy
James,
tutaj.
how's progress?
Great. I'm progressing.
Glad to hear it.
Idziemy na wierzch. Tam są te rury. O kurde, serio?
Whoever thought they'd need a balcony at minus 30 degrees. I salute you.
Fajnie, że on tak z... Kurde, nawet rozbiegu nie zrobił, żeby taki skok zrobić. No ale dobra, no. Kurde, no ale to ręce to już zamarzły.
James, word of warning. I just ran into a guard who wanted to scan my ID bracelet.
Are we compromised?
He's, having a lie down. But clearly we're not supposed to be back here.
Thanks for the heads up.
I'll wait for you on the landing.
O, tak, dziękuję bardzo.
It's perfectly safe. Webb doesn't cut corners. No, that'd be too pedestrian for him. He only dabbles in high trees. He's attacking!
Insufficient clearance.
This is really something. Beats the view from the London office.
Oh my god, my eyeballs are on fire!
Insufficient clearance.
Fajnie, że ja zmieniłem ten pistolet, nie? No nie, no muszę ostatni punkt kontrolny, sorry, bo zmieniłem pistolet przez przypadek. On mi zniknął. Niepotrzebnie, żeby się tam włamać. No, jest git, dobra.
What keeps this place from sinking? Sheer willpower? It's perfectly safe. Webb doesn't cut corners. No, that'd be too pedestrian for him. He only dabbles in high trees and allegations. Nothing more. Your loyalty is moving. So what? This is true.
Establish a view from the London office.
Please. No politics. Oh, my eyes! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh!
Penrose hacks the fire alarm system. Morgue staff is evacuated.
Justice Fireflies.
Siema.
DNA samples and voila. The alleged caliber is nothing but a low-level trafficker. For once, everything went like clockwork. Didn't even need to ice it. Let's see.
Kurka, flag, źle kto zagrał. Ale można powiedzieć, ale zauważyłem, że właśnie nie wiedziałem, że na tych z hełmami oślepienie nie działa. Nie wiedział Zech, ale nie wiedział. Józef nie wiedział. Tych to mogę tu ominąć.
Webb doesn't cut corners. No, that'd be too pedestrian for him. He only dabbles in high treason. Allegations. Nothing more. Your loyalty is moving. So what? He's proving something. The establishment beats the view from the London office. Please. No politics. Not.
No, tak się też da.
Penrose hacks the firearm system. All staff is evacuated. Me and Tommy here slipped in just as firefighters. Socket their records and DNA samples, and voila. The alleged caliber is nothing but a low-level trafficker. For once, everything went like clockwork. Ignore that. Check it out. En route, sir. Be ready for it. What happened? Forget it. I want a full search of this area. Yes.
Nie wiedziałem, że jak to... nie wiedziałem, że to mi... Myślałem, że to tylko tak sabotuje i tamten przyjdzie, a nacisnął nie ten knefel oczywiście. No i mi się spartoliło to. Taka gotka jest. No niestety, no nie wyszło. Jademy dalej, próbujemy, moi drodzy. Jest coraz to, sorki.
Webb doesn't cut corners. No, that'd be too pedestrian for him. He only dabbles in high treason. Allegations. Nothing more. Your loyalty is moving. So what? It's true. The establishment always has it in provision. No politics. Not. This is really something. Beats the view from the London office. Oh, God! Can't see! My eyes! Oh, my eyes! Penrose hacks the firearm system. All staff is evacuated. Me and Tommy here slipped in just as firefighters. Stop the records and DNA samples and the alleged caliber is nothing but a low-level traffic. For once, everything went like clockwork. Didn't even need to ice it.
A tak można zrobić, dobre to jest.
Can't believe he's gone.
Right side. This should have got a bit of cinema attack.
I swear, this is it. If we make it out of this mess, I'm out.
Engage him! Move me!
No nie, to też był głupi pomysł. Kurde, ale byłem blisko. Czekajcie, muszę jakoś... Podpalenie hasioka... Podpalenie hasioka nic nie dało. Niestety. Ja dzisiaj nie skończę tej misji. Jak coś to chyba na YouTube to połączę te dwa live'y po prostu i tyle. Dobra.
What keeps this place from sinking into the sea? Sheer willpower? It's perfectly safe.
Webb doesn't cut corners.
No, that'd be too pedestrian for him. He only dabbles in high treason.
Próbujemy tędy.
This is really something. Beats the view from London. It was a thing of beauty. Penrose hacks the fire alarm system. Morgue staff is evacuated. And me and Tommy here slipped in just as firefighters. Swap the chemical records and DNA samples and voila. The alleged Caliban is nothing but a lie.
I've got eyes on him!
For once,
Let's finish this!
Dobra, robimy ich wszystkich, już nie mam czasu na takie pierdoły.
let's give that a look.
Get it! Target shooting! He's changing position!
Russia's position.
A, przepraszam. No, to mówiłem wam, że zrobię to cicho.
Shake him out! He's out of sight! I've lost him!
Może to nie było najcichsze przejście. Ale udało się.
Took a while.
Oh, you know, boys and their toys. How was nanomechanics?
Not much to look at. Shall we?
Jedziemy. No, wiedział, Hayden.
Isla Vale.
Lindsay, hi.
What on earth are you doing here? I heard you were let go.
Long story.
Long story?
Classified. I really shouldn't tell you.
I'm afraid we have a little time for chit-chat. Sir Nicholas expects a debriefing right away.
And you are?
Kittredge, Special Intelligence Task Force.
Never heard of it.
Lucky you. Let's keep it that way, shall we?
Right. Of course.
This conversation never happened.
Czy to coś będzie? Nie.
You'd make a great con man, James.
Always nice to have something to fall back. So how come you didn't know where this place was located?
I knew it was within the Antarctic Circle, same as everyone else. But the exact coordinates were classified. Even Damien was never invited down here.
Webb's own son. And no wonder the guy was troubled.
Please. There's no excuse for what Damien was. Webb just found a way to harness his son's worst impulses.
Well, if life gives you lemons.
Pretty much. It's Webb. And that is Roger Finch, the chief legal officer.
I know. We met in a lift.
I've upgraded security. No one enters the command center but you and me. Next 48
Well,
hours.
you heard the man. We need to boost our security level.
How do we manage that?
I'm sure there's an upgrade station around here somewhere. But you must do the heavy lifting again.
No oczywiście, że sam, nie?
Management tax that Lindsay back there. Can't risk being seen.
All right, we'll hang back. I'll go fast-track my career.
I'll poke about in the system. See what I can find.
Suń się, dziołcha, ja tu idę.
The truth is capital C classified. And Tattle must have a man on the inside.
Of course they have a man on the inside. If not MI6.
Miriam, what the heck? I left my stuff in the command center earlier, and now my ID has stopped working.
Not my doing, I'm afraid. Take it up with Roger Finch.
Great. How do I upgrade?
The ID station is in the security office. But it won't do you any good. No one enters without Roger's consent.
Forget it. Didn't need that insulin anyway.
Of course they have a man on the inside. If not MI6, then Whitehall. But we can't have our global business
James,
partners
I'm looking at
realizing
department schematics. Looks like the upstairs rooms are connected by vents. Could be a way into the security office.
Good tip.
Insufficient clearance.
No, you got him wrong. Webb firmly rejects the great man hypothesis. On the contrary, it is his deeply held belief that no one is great. It's just that humankind loves its heroes, don't we? So we put them on a pedestal and gloss over their mistakes. In reality, you don't need to be a history major to realize that.
Oh no. Where's Miriam?
Dobra, słuchamy.
On a first-name basis with the head of department, are we? La-di-da.
She's in a staff briefing upstairs. Why?
Priority message from London. I left it here on her desk. Will you let her know, please?
As soon as she's out. Not making that mistake twice.
Okay. But she'll want to see this.
Dobra, no.
But that right there is what I call devotion.
Trzeba zobaczyć, co my tu mamy. O nie, to tam musimy. Dostęp do otworu wentylacyjnego.
Oh, come on. Bright's political career has to be over after this.
The man has plausible deniability. He truly had no idea that they was...
Przeczytaj wiadomość. Nie, to mam.
Insufficient clearance.
Good. Continue the strategy. Next up.
That must connect to the security room.
Incoming Royal Navy destroyers and one aircraft carrier. They appear to have dropped anchor at 54 nautical miles.
Insufficient clearance.
Okay.
Kod archiwum z przechodem sobie bierzemy i musi być co 24 godziny zmieniony. Dobra.
That's where you'd identify potential ghost patterns.
Got one myself back in 22.
Guess I'm late to the party as usual. You know, I worked on ghost patterns at the Shanghai office. What a pity MI6 learned the truth so close to the finish
Chyba
line.
pójdziemy
Would almost solve the issue.
tutaj.
Look, I can't be sure, but well, from what I was able to glimpse before Finch shooting me from.
Hey, Karen? Karen, are you here?
Out here, Jean.
Klucz do biura, dobra.
What's that? Better to have a look.
Dobra, klucz do biura już mamy. No super, i co teraz? Dzisiejszy kod chyba wiem, bardzo lubicie omegówki. Cyfra 1, jestem jedynką, cyfra 2. Odwaro, o kurde. Rodna, łamigłówki, czekajcie. Muszę sobie to rozpisać. Gdzie ja mam mój ulubiony długopis? Czyżbym go by sobie wsadził? Czekajcie, bym Kugę Szajba szukam. No, tu jest. Dobrze, to patrzymy. Dobra. Cyfra 1, jestem jedynką. No to jest 1. Cyfra 2, jestem o 2 numery większa niż cyfra numer 3. Jestem o 2 numery większa niż cyfra numer 4, dobra. Jestem o 10 numerów mniejsza niż cyfry numer 2 i 3 razem wzięte. Czekajcie, to trzeba pomyśleć. To jest coś co... No to z x-ami to jest ten. Jeżeli czwórka... Czyli tak, czwórka to jest x minus 10. Nie, kurde. Nie. Jestem o 2 numery większa niż numer 3. Kurde, czekaj, jak ja to mam zrobić? Będzie to rok, który nazywa się Słynna Bitwa. Czekajcie, zaraz to ogarniemy. Czekaj, jeżeli jestem... Nie, to muszę zrobić na osobnej kartce. Jak ja mam to z x-ami powiedzieć inaczej? No dobra, to nazwijmy tak. Będzie... To jest tak. Cyfra numer 2 to jest A. Cyfra numer 3 oblicz deltę. No obliczam właśnie. Cyfra numer 3 to będzie B. Tak? A cyfra numer 4 to będzie C. I teraz tak. A, czyli A to jest 2 numery większa niż cyfra numer 3. Czyli to jest B plus 2. B to jest C plus 2. Za dużo niewiadomych mam. A C to jest razem wzięte. To jest B plus... Nie, to jest A plus B minus 10. Rzeczywiście, będę musiał obliczyć deltę. Ja bym mógł to obliczyć, ale kurde, czasu nie mam za bardzo, chwila. Słynna bitwa, tylko nie wiem co. Dajcie mi chwilę pomyśleć, czekajcie, ja sobie to rozpisałem. To jest A plus B to jest A to jest 2 plus B. B to jest C plus 2. A C... No to najpierw obliczmy, co to jest B. Czyli jeżeli wiemy, że C to jest A plus B minus 10, a B to jest C plus 2, czyli można zrobić tak, że rozpisać, że B to jest A plus B nie, to jest B to jest kurde A plus C plus 2 minus 10. Ale to będzie w nawiasie. Jestem głupi. Ja musiał to inaczej obliczyć. Czekajcie jeszcze raz. Skoro nie, no to A obliczymy. Dobra, najpierw zrobimy A, bo to jest ganz egal. A to jest A to jest inaczej to będzie. A jeżeli A to jest B plus 2 to jest kurde, czekajcie sekundkę. Jeżeli B plus 2 to jest B plus 2 to się równa. Kurde, mam to, ale nie miałem chwycić tego. Zaraz chyba wyjdzie. A ja już chciałem to rozwiązać. Cholera. B plus B, B plus 2. Nie, to trzeba inaczej pisać. C jest równe. Teraz tak, jest B plus 2 plus C plus 2 minus 10. Tak, C to jest B plus 2 plus C plus 2 minus 10. I teraz przerzucamy C na drugą stronę. Czyli mnożymy... Nie będziemy mnożyć razy C. Czekajcie, musimy teraz przerzucić wszystko na stronę, bo... Czyli C to jest B plus 2 plus C plus 2 minus 10. Ja bym C przerzucił, czyli razy C. Czyli chwila. Przepraszam, że tak ale jeżeli C plus 2... Ale to będzie w nawiasach. To musi być w nawiasie, to... Jeżeli mamy nawias i minus 10... Nie wiem. Ja bym to policzył, ale... Dobra, sorry, ale nie mam czasu na to. Ale spróbuję sobie to potem. Archimedes Cube Studies Person Web Industries to jest 1493? Dobra, 1493 jedziemy. Ale chwilę, to jest to. A, kod do archiwum, dobra. Archiwum 1864. O.
We need to issue a statement that unequivocally exonerates Bright of any wrongful conduct. Check in with the crisis.
Ale ja sobie to obliczę potem. Jeszcze raz, jak do tego dojść. No ja lubię takie zagadki, tylko muszę sobie napisać.
No, unacceptable. Deal with it before it snowballs. Next.
What?
What the hell? Wait!
Nie ma jak spokojne wtargnięcie, nie?
Level 5. Moving up in the world. Isola, we're all set. Meet me at the command center.
It's a date.
Kurde, ja bym to obliczył, szczerze mówiąc.
This is promising. We need to set up back channels with the Chileans, the Norwegians, every nation with an overlapping territorial claim land outside. The diplomatic red tape ought to be on the Navy at some time.
You're getting good at this, James.
Remember our deal.
How could I forget?
Applies to Roger Finch as well. He's a civilian.
That doesn't make him any less punchable.
Co on,
Sign of Webb. Or Hyperion.
on sobie
Never
kota
mind.
pucuje?
We are at the heart of his operation. The information you need will be on one of those terminals.
Yeah, I'm gonna find a way down.
Okay, you poke around. I'll keep a lookout.
Just like that.
Bravo.
All right. Show yourself.
No, zobaczymy co tu będzie.
There you are.
James, you might want to see this.
What are
Co
we
tu
looking
się
at?
stało?
Predictive analytics. That's a neural network tree. Watch.
It's a roadmap.
Yeah, for overthrowing the British government in as few moves as possible. And instating Stephen Bright as the next PM.
It's a damn coup d'etat. How is this possible?
Well, looks like with Thea offline, Webb was finally free to use his mirror machine to his own gain.
Mhm.
You really outdone yourself this time, James.
I have to get down there.
James Bond. We meet again.
We do?
Roger Finch, Chief Legal Officer.
Oh, right. Elevator guy.
I'm sure this is all a big joke to you. Don't move. I will shoot. It's Finch. James Bond is here. I've got him poking about in operations. Sound the alarm. Let's see you wiggle your way out of this one.
Kurde, no tu, te dziocha!
Challenge accepted.
Let's go. We're about to have company. You should take the freight lift down. Webb is not going to leak the data on account of one rogue agent. But he will throw everything he has at you to stop you from reaching Hyperion.
What about you?
Webb's penthouse is directly above us. I'll wait for him there. Time to settle scores.
Isola, if it's closure you're looking for, I promise you won't find it. Not like this.
You really are very sweet.
O, dobra, dobra.
target is still here. Shoot on sight. Anyone have eyes on the CLO? Negative. What are we dealing with?
It's my
SBS
right.
rifle.
Rogue MI6 agent with a chip on his shoulder.
Seriously? One man.
One man who chose to come here on his own.
Copy that.
He's a nutter.
Suspect spotted! Weapons up! Fire! Affirmative. Grenade away! Lost visual, lost visual!
Kurde, ale jestem dobry. W biegu go zwalił.
Running diagnostics. Resuming function. Going down.
Belly the beast. Here we go. Isola, I made it onto the lift. Heading down towards Hyperion. Did you locate Webb? Isola, copy. Get in his face! I mean business.
Running diagnostics. Resuming function.
Not bad, James.
Going down.
Not bad at all.
Ładnie, ładnie, naprawdę ładnie idzie. Że dałem radę.
Have you lost your mind? You're talking about turning them into autonomous weapon systems. This is not what we do here.
The order came straight from the top. Remove all safety restrictions and upload the defense software protocol.
No, I won't be a part of this.
Then I will. Step aside.
Oh, hell no. Need a way out. Now.
Well, well. Out of the frying pan and into the meat grinder. Didn't see that coming, did you? Now you remember my name. Who's the Jokertown boss? Who's the bloody Joker?
Lost one hold. Think.
Podniesiesz to, ty baranie.
control panel of the lift. Not getting anywhere without the override key.
Tu będzie ciężko ze ściany. A nie, zaraz będę kończył, jak tam wejdę.
This better work.
A, zapomniałem co metalowy. No, ja pewnie, że tego nie zrobię. Nie, no źle to zrobiłem, kurka flag. A tu są te materiały może.
Won't be getting one of those.
Cześć Grabajusz, siemano. Ale kończymy live'a. Dobra. Wiecie, przepraszam was bardzo, że dzisiaj jest krócej, ale mówiłem na afterze. Że dzisiaj będzie koniec, więc ja wam dziękuję bardzo serdecznie. We czwartek będzie normalnie live, jeszcze już dłuższy zrobimy też. To już wczoraj tak wcześniej, dzisiaj też, że tak wcześniej dzisiaj też zacząłeś. Tak, no okej, by the way. Przeczytałeś wiadomość ode mnie? Tak, ja, nie całą, przepraszam. Ja pamiętam, że na nią zerknąłem i skończyłem i jej nie przeczytałem całej. Bardzo cię przepraszam, ale zrobimy tak. Grabajusz, ja dzisiaj ci odpiszę, ok? A jak wrócę, bo teraz wyjeżdżam, dobra? Przepraszam, bardzo przepraszam, ale miałem taki tydzień, że miałem nadmiar. Mniej więcej gdzieś więc przepraszam, ale na pewno odpiszę, pogadamy i tak dalej, dobra? Jak wrócę, to odpiszę cię, bo dzisiaj muszę lecieć, więc ja wam bardzo serdecznie dziękuję. Pamiętajcie o ustawieniu łapy w górę, subskrypcji i komentarza pod tym filmem. I dziękuję, pa!